Happening today, the Warner Robins Demons walk the field of McConnell-Talbert Stadium dressed in cap and gowns to get their diplomas. Marvin James was there to catch the action as the students turned the tassel and looked towards the future.
Having these graduates walk across the stage, it's their first formal ceremony, and just to see the excitement on their faces as they came in this morning, to see friends that they haven't seen in 3 months.
Class of 2020, you have indeed made it through the journey we call high school.
I really wished I would have enjoyed my high school year and been able to capture the moment and go out and do things, but regardless of all of that, I'm just glad we're able to, walk across the stage still.
Well, I'm very excited that the Board of Education put in the time and the effort to give us an actual graduation, because COVID-19 has affected a lot of things with our society, and the thought of not having a graduation was very upsetting, but the fact that they took the extra mile and gave us what we wanted was very impressive.
Jalea Lenise Hurley.
I'm really glad that I got to have an actual ceremony and my grandparents be here and my other family be able to view it live.
These kids have lost so many moments. To have this moment restored means the world to everybody. I mean, I think especially the parents, but the kids as well, just to have this moment to shine together. It's been planned so well, and I'm just so grateful to the school system for putting this thing on.
With the class of 2020, please turn your tassels to the left.
It has been a rough 3 months, but I think it's kind of brought us together, and what a great way to celebrate graduation than right here at the MAC. It's just a great day here in Demon Country.
And there are plenty more Central Georgia great grads. A big congratulations to Naraja Davis from your grandparents. Here's Janiyah Bonner, 2020 graduate of Northside High. They graduate tomorrow morning at McConnell-Talbert. Congratulations to Desmond Shinholster, Wilkinson County High School. Chelsea Marie Lawrence, a graduate of Westside High School, will be headed to the United States Navy. Congratulations. And Leah Powell, an undergraduate from Crisp County High School, Cordele, Georgia. Congratulations to you.